Well, I got gift for. Oh. Oh. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another Unlucky Shots video. And in this video, well, we're not doing another exploring video. And yes, it has been like a month or two. I'm sorry about that. Life caught up to us pretty quickly, let's just say that. But I am doing a few things, and I have a few things planned. I just need to get them in motion and get in a few contact with someone. And yeah, but other than that, oh shoot, yeah, I'm recording this really late at night, so that's gonna suck because I got like school in the morning. But anyways, yeah, so we got this try not to scream or scare challenge. Wait, or try not to scream or scare challenge, either one. Yeah, so this is what I'm deciding to do, and if you guys want more of these reaction videos, I could do that actually. So yeah, like this video and subscribe, and let's get on with the reacting because I'm kind of intrigued. And yes, I am filming this on an iPad. Try not to scream or scare challenge. Let's go. Be in the dark. Oh, hold on. Yeah, boy. Bro, you can only see the illuminator. This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna cut it. Hold on. It says, be in the dark. Let us get into the video. And dang, why does everything have to be so dark? It's creepy like that, but hey. So good. We're good. Okay. Yeah, follow the lights. Well, I can't do that. And wear headphones. Ooh, wait, headphones. Can you pass the test without being scared or screaming? Yes. Level 1. Scary images. Well, ain't that interesting? Okay. Huh. Oh, we can see illuminating. She looks unhappy. That's Annabelle. That I am blaring out. Most of this right here I'm gonna blur out, but not much. I'm just gonna drink my coffee. I think I've seen that from somewhere. I have volume high right now. Wait. In Indonesia, a young girl was found dead with a gun. I cannot. Okay, I'm blurring this out. I didn't know that I was gonna say that. Well, I'm blurring that out right now because I'm not gonna read the rest. That's no, we're not having that on this channel at all. Oh man was enjoying a meal in a restaurant. He was fed more than he bargained for. Okay. Welcome. The best. Okay, so I'm just cutting that out. Level 4. Scary gifts? Well, I got gift for. Oh. Oh. Okay, guys. That was interesting. I just heard a noise from over there. That is Okay. Scare gifts, huh? Alright, let's do this. Interesting. Ooh. I can deal with this. I'm not scared or anything. Actually, that noise kind of got me a little shook, but not too much. What the hell? Okay, scary noises. What's the first one? A ghost? Not. Squid Games, boys! Squid Games! Bro, I'm dead. Oh gosh, Squid Game? Whispering my... Oh, that's actually interesting. Hold on, let me... Was that a tiger? I'm trying to decipher if that was a tiger or not. I feel like it's about to hit the beat. Is that just me? Wow, I'm so tired. Paranormal activity, huh? Oh, okay.
Tired of this. Get out of my house.
Oh, these are YouTube videos. That means... Oh, that means it's gonna be a jump scare. What the heck? And that guy isn't wearing any pants. Oh, shoot. I'm not looking away. I'm not looking away because I'm scared. I'm looking away because oh. Unsanitary. That was a ghost. That could be it.
Over this house and I'm over the filming and everything.
What the? Huh?
Paige? Paige. Oh, shit.
What the heck? What just happened? Oh, they're turning around. I'm about to debunk that. In this test? What, my Instagram photos? Huh, cool. Boy, I knew for a fact they were going to do something like that. They were going to pull out something like that. Like, I knew for a fact. There's no way. They are definitely going to do something because that's how they always do it. So yeah. With that being said, I gotta get my ass to bed. And yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe. Don't ask why I'm drinking coffee while I'm about to go to sleep. I didn't wake anyone up, but if you guys want me to do more reactions, I will gladly do some. And I'll do other stuff if you want me to. I'll put a community post later tomorrow. And yeah. Let's see what you guys want me to do, and if I'll decide I like it, then I'll do it. I'll do some gaming, yeah, gaming reactions, more exploring videos, because I'm going to try to do some good ones this year, because I'm going to get my license. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, so peace out.